Okay, first let's remove the products folder and all the routes inside it. And let's run the project. Let's browse our project. Now sometimes we might need various number of parameters, like for products, and then all the grocery products we can add second parameter like grocery, and then inside grocery we might want to find dairy product, and then we might also want to add another parameter like milk. So in this URL you can see there is a various number of parameters. So to achieve this we will not create these many folders. So how can we achieve this? Let's see. First we need to add folder called products, and then we will add a folder which will hold the parameter. We will call that slug, but this will accept various number of parameters, so we have to add 3 dot before the parameter name, and let's press enter. And inside slug we will create a file page.tsx, and here we will create a component, so rfce, and we can name this product detail page. And now let's save this and let's browse this. Now if we reload the page, you can see that our page is working. Now how do we read these parameters? To read this parameter we will add an interface props. Now here there will be params, but unlike previous example we will not use, it will not be type of string, it will be type of string array. So string array, and then we can output that here like slug, and first we need to add the props here. So params, which will be type of props, and then we can output params.slug, and let's save the changes and browse our app. And here you can see this grocery, dairy, milk, all the parameters are joined together. You can work with individual string if you want. Now if you try to visit only products/products, look, it says that there is no page for this route. To make this page also work for the route/products, we have to rename the folder. We have to make it like this. We have to put an extra couple of square bracket. So let's reload this, and you can see this is also working. So this page will actually catch all the routes after or starting with /products. So this is the only way to catch all the routes if you have various number of parameters. And now let's see how we can read query parameters. So let's save this first. So to read Query parameters, we have a special word that is search params. So search params. Now, like the params, it will also be an object, and it will hold, suppose we have the sort order parameter, query parameter, and it will be type of string. Then let's save this, and we can output this here like sort order, which will be, first we have to add this search params in the function parameter. So let's add this, so search params, and then we can output the sort order here, search params dot sort order, sort order, and let's save this and browse the URL with sort order query parameter, sort order equal ascending, and let's press enter. You can see that there is the sort order. So this is how we can read query parameters. You can add as many parameters you want. So that's it for this lesson. See you in the next lesson.